Welcome to Rica Subtest 2 online test preparation course presented by ricatest.com. Once the teacher has taught the students the comprehension strategy, for example, evaluate structural patterns, analyze the author's point of view, find a connection, or the fourth strategy, identify similarities and differences between texts, the teacher needs to provide the students with an opportunity to practice this strategy by completing an activity. However, the activity that the teacher chooses will depend on the purpose of the assessment, whether the teacher wants to understand which students have mastered the content and skills of the topics before it's taught, in which case we'll use an entry level activity, which works best for the teacher to understand each individual student's level by using a written activity, such as completing a KWL chart, making a poster, writing a paragraph about a topic or summarizing it, or adding a Venn diagram and comparing and contrasting two different topics or one topic from two different authors. Now, if the teacher's purpose is to provide an activity to allow the students to demonstrate their understanding of the text in the middle of a lesson, the teacher will use what's called the progress monitoring assessment method, which we can recall from past lessons. This is an informal assessment by nature and therefore uses spoken activity framework. Assessments might include a discussion format where the teacher will use a KWL chart and they'll talk about it. They might use think, pair, share, or turn and talk. They might use a retell or a summary. They might compare and contrast. Finally, if the teacher is providing the students with an activity at the end of a lesson or at the end of a unit, in order to check whether they have met the standard, the teacher will use what's called a summative activity, which requires the formal or written activity. Feeling nervous about taking your Rica test? Click the link in the description below, get full access to this Rica test prep course, and start feeling prepared for test day.